So why don't we talk on the talking, girl? Why don't we show you what you do?
And we'll see those throughout the tour. The first one, though, is going to be the only natural entrance right up here. That's where the cave was first found in 18.
Who is that? Is that wrong? What?
Good morning, YouTube family. My name is Ron with Ann, and we are the R&Rvers. And this is our first camping trip for the year 2025. And we are camping at the Mark Twain Cave Campground in Hannibal, Missouri. And we are with some good friends, I tell you. We are actually with Forever Tripping, hanging out with Williams on the Way, and they're actually hosting this event here at the Mark Twain Cave Campground. As we got here yesterday about 2 o'clock, and I'll tell you, we were welcomed. I mean, I'm trying to find a good word to express our feelings and emotion when we came here. I mean, we had some great fellowship yesterday. You know, we met new friends, and now the favorite line or the favorite phrase is, what they call it, camping cousins, I think. Is it camping cousins? Okay. But yeah, we had a great time. And Tammy, she was basically she was the narrator really. She was hosting the event, and she was, asking everybody that who came here the farthest, who drove the farthest. It was us. We got here, it took us about 7 hours. But my man Sir Rich, it took him a little over 8 hours. So, he won the prize, and Sir Rich, he's my man. So don't forget to check out his videos too as well. But also we had a little karaoke going too, which was hilarious. Everybody was laughing, But hey, they were showing their true talents, And like my man said, make sure you have the check standing by to receive once he done his performance. So I thought that was pretty funny. And yeah, we met a lot of friends, and we met some new RV friends. And we also have a couple of RV friends that are coming out with some YouTube channels, so make sure you look out for that. But it was just, I don't know, it was just like a family reunion, I guess. Had a little potluck going. We did have food. We had all this stuff going on, and we was like at home. We like family now. And we also had a couple of dances going. Like Boots on the Ground and some other songs that I'll probably listen somewhere down at the bottom here, what kind of song. And we also invited some other RV families to come out and join us. So, that's what it's all about, meeting people, having a good time. And we don't care where we at. If we're having a good time, if you want to have a good time with us, come on, stop by, have a good time with us. That's what it's all about. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and see if the missus is up. I'm going to go ahead and head on down to the main office. We're going to do a little winery tours and a caves tour. And again, take you guys along with us. And it's going to be a lot of fun.
hello, everybody. Good morning. Learned a new phrase for our RV campers yesterday from one of our RV cousins. Good morning, camping cousins.
Camping cousins.
We are here at Mark Twain Campground here in Hannibal, Missouri, and we are having a great time. It was a long time coming to see old friends and meet new friends, and that's what it's all about. And we're on day 2 here, getting ready to go get our tickets for the cave, Mark Twain Cave. So we're so looking forward to that. And can you all see that we all bundled up? Yeah. It is cold this morning here at Mark Twain Campground.
Yeah.
Thought maybe we was going to get away for this Easter weekend for some nice summery weather, but hey, it is cold. So we're getting ready to head out to get our tickets, and we're going to take you all right along so you all can join us on this journey today. Stay tuned.
Your photo here. So if we can have all but the first family or group just step down, and we'll have first one to step right on this wooden board here. So if we can have you guys just step right up here for me.
All right, whoever's next.
There's 4 entrances, and we'll see those throughout the tour. The first one, though, is going to be the only natural entrance right up here. That's where the cave was first found in 1819. A little over 200 years ago, a guy named Jack Sims was hunting out in these woods. His dog chased a cougar through that little hole. You? Just inside the cave.
Okay, family, we just came out of the cave. We had a pretty good time. We actually really enjoyed that tour. The actual narrator, the host, I can't remember his name, but he did a great job telling about the stories of the cave, how it was discovered by, I can't remember the guy's name. I do apologize, but let's see what Roxanne, let's see if she enjoyed it. Let me go find her real quick.
Okay, we have finally made it out of the cave, and when I tell you all that the tour was excellent, you have to try it when you come down to the Mark Twain's campground.
Yes.
I think I kind of hyped myself up more with fear than need be. So when we went inside the caves, it was narrow in some parts, but other than that, it was great. I didn't felt like I was choking or anything, because you all know that I am asthmatic and I don't like to be closed in, but it was an excellent tour. It was a marvelous tour. Our tour guide, he was excellent, had plenty of jokes and stuff. So if you ever at the Mark Twain Campground, I definitely highly encourage you take the tour. And we are join ourselves here with the host, Williams, on the way here at the Mark Twain Campground here in Hannibal, Missouri. Touch out for now.
Okay, family, we are back from the Mark Twain Cave tour. We had a great time. So now we're back at the site and finna start cooking. So I was talking to one of my camping cousins behind me. You know, he watched our videos. He would say, "Hey man, you know, you're out here and everything. I don't see you cooking nothing and everything. That's what your channel is all about and blah 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 blah." I said, "You know what? You're right." So, camping cousin, this one for you, my brother.
Bam. That's Rose? Who is that? Is that Rose? What? Oh my goodness, y'all. There it is right there. I hope I ain't messing it up with my fingertips on there. Rose King, come on up. Come on up. That's Miss King, y'all. Miss King is in the house. Yes, indeed.
Yes, thank you.
And who picked that? The 3 judges?
Yes.
They did that?
Yes.
All right. That's what's up. Miss King. Miss King.
There you go. Reminds me of, don't mind. All right, where is everybody? Everybody. You should get your wine. That's what I'm looking at. Wine. Oh, no, I gotta get it. Go get your wine. I start with $5. 10. 5,000 here. 5,000 here. I'm just gonna donate mine.
Did you walk up here? Okay, we just came back from our winery tour. We did a what kind of painting?
We did sip and paint.
Sip and paint. Yep. Did a little. We sipped on some what? Some sodas.
They actually had the number one ninja item that's on the market right now, the slushy machine. So they did all kinds of slushies in there, wine slushies, and they had different types of wine for you to sample the wine flights, of course, because it is called the Cave Hollow Winery here at the Mark Twain Campground. So it was a very nice venue. We had a nice time. Everyone did a wonderful job. Camping cousin that won, she had painted some lilies, and it was purple, beautiful painting, and she had won. So like I said, everybody participated in effort. It was a wonderful experience, and thank you, Williams on the Way, for hosting such a wonderful
enjoyed it.
Event this weekend with her assistance of Forever Trippin'. We're so thankful for the invite here, and I'm quite sure there will be more gatherings here as all of us camp cousins get together and continue enjoying the journey while making memories.
Yep, we're camp cousins now. All right, so Roxanne, we got here on Friday. It's a Saturday. Of course, tomorrow we're gonna hit the road, head back to the corporate world. But I just want to ask Roxanne, have you enjoyed yourself thus far?
I have enjoyed myself thus far. Like I said, this is a long time coming. This has been a long winter in such a short time.
Yeah.
Normally, we've already had several RV trips under our belts, starting probably like in February or so. But being that the weather and stuff has been so bad in Kentucky, winter, flooding, and then winter again, winter in the first day of spring. So, you know, we're just happy to be out here and just thank God for this day that we're able to get out and RV and our short trip here at Mark Twain Campground here in Hannibal, Missouri. It's a nice little park to get away and recharge and with friends and with camping cousins.
There you
and
go.
Meeting new camping cousins.
Yeah.
It has been a pleasure this weekend. So of course tomorrow is travel day. Yeah. Who wants to pack up and leave when you're having such a great time?
Yeah.
But
it
happens. So we brought you all along for this weekend, and hey, we've had a great time in such a short time. Absolutely. Ciao for now.
Yeah.